Today we're going to make a mango, pineapple and chilli sorbet using the Mahi hot sauce. So we're going to make a really velvety sorbet, which is perfect on its own, or it's really good in like a bit of an eaten mess style, chopped up with meringue and fruit.
So you want to pop the frozen mango and the pineapple into a blender, add the lime juice, the maple syrup and the Mahi sauce. Blend everything together to a smooth consistency, transfer the mixture into a dish to scoop from, or straight into a bowl to serve.
So mango and pineapple go so well together, so with the creamy texture of the sorbet and then the kick of the chilli, it's a great and simple vegan pudding.